In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to lock your iPhone screen in here so you can actually play anything here or keep anything playing while your screen will be locked. For example, what we're gonna be doing in here is I'm gonna lock my screen and then I'm gonna play this video right here, and the video will be playing without any interruption if I touch the screen. I'm gonna touch the screen and you'll see that nothing will happen in here. The screen will be completely locked and only the video will be playing there while the screen is on but locked. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials, especially stuff related to Apple devices such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPads, and a lot more. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, this is a very interesting and cool feature that allows us, for example, if you want to play something and give it to our kid or a child and you want that specific child to watch a video or see something without pausing, stopping, or performing another workaround in here on your phone, this is the correct feature for you. So in order to turn this on, the very first step in here is to hop into settings real quick, and next up we're going to scroll down all the way to accessibility down here. We'll tap once on accessibility settings in here, and then next up we'll scroll down all the way to guided access down here. Scroll down, and once you see guided access, tap once, which is here under the general category. Okay, so once you're inside guided access, you want to turn on guided access here by toggling this on. Once this is on, we do have one last setting that we need to toggle on, which is accessibility shortcut. Simply tap once to turn it on, and then you're good to go. Next up, we're going to simply, for example, minimize. Let's quickly open up YouTube. Here we go, we're now on YouTube, and the next thing you need to do in here is triple tap your side button, which is also known as the power button. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, there we go. We'll be able to see this options in here. Okay, we do have, for example, switch control or guided access. Usually it's gonna go directly to guided access if you don't have switch control turned on, but in case you do have this pop-up, simply tap here on guided access, and next up you'll be able to see your screen looking like this. So it's basically asking you which areas you wish to actually disable. So what we're going to be doing in here is tapping on session settings real quick, and then in here we want to turn off or toggle off all these options down here. So we do have the first one, side button, let's turn it off. Volume buttons, let's turn it off. Motion button, turn it off. Software keyboards, turn it off. Touch as well, turn it off, and then tap on done and simply tap here on start. Now it's going to ask you to enter a passcode. This passcode is a passcode that you need to set, that you're going to need here while disabling this feature. So let's go with 111111, okay, and then again 111111. There we go, and now it has started. Next up, whatever you do in here will not actually interfere your specific video or anything on your own. I'm trying to move my phone, I can watch it on my own. Okay, so I accidentally missed because I didn't start the video. Okay, so let me disable it and re-enable it. Triple tap once again, and then you just need to type in the passcode that you've set up in here. So it's 11111, and you'll be able to see the screen. Next up, let's tap on end, and now we've exited the guided access. So what we want to do in here that I did wrong was I didn't start the video. Okay, so let me quickly start the video real quick. There we go, video has started, and now I'm gonna triple tap once again to enable the guided access, and now I can't do anything on my phone, right? So you can give your phone to your kid or your child and they can play without any issue in here. They won't be having any problem, right? Now, once you want to get out or get rid of this, all you want to do is simply triple tap, as I've just said, type in the passcode, and you're good to go. Tap on end in here, and you're done. Now, you can use this guided access feature to play movies. In most cases, it's very useful whenever we're playing movies or videos. Or you can also, for example, simply display an image here, a photo or something like that, that you want to keep. For example, if you are in a fair, let's say a food fair, and you simply want to display a specific image on your screen, you can open up your gallery, turn on guided access, and leave your phone like this in a specific position as an LED display to customers. It's very useful and very interesting. Now, before we even move further, I'd like to let you know that in case you get, for example, locked accidentally here, you have a way of getting rid of this. Let's say that I'm going to triple tap in here once, okay, guided access is on, and let's say that I'm unable to actually, for example, get out of this. I'm locked in here, forgot my password or anything. In order for you to get out of this, you can actually actually perform a forced restart here on your iPhone. And in order to perform a forced restart in here, if you have an iPhone 8 all the way to an iPhone 17 Pro, all you want to do is simply tap rapidly on volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus here, the process is kind of different. All you want to do is press and hold the power button along with the volume down button for seconds, like 5 to 7 seconds. Now, if you have a much older iPhone with the physical home button in here, all you want to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. And if you have a very old iPhone, such as an iPhone 4, the power button is usually located here at the top, so you'll have to press the power button along with the physical home button. Now, since I have an iPhone 13, we're gonna go with the first method, which is volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button. That's how it goes. Volume up, volume down, pressing and holding the power button. I'm locked, completely locked here with the guided access. I'm gonna press and hold my power button for a couple more seconds, and there we go. My iPhone will shut down it completely, okay? And this is how you can actually restart. Once you see the Apple logo, you're gonna release the power button. So you need to wait till you see the Apple logo, regardless of the iPhone model that you've got, okay? So this is the process. Just wait for a couple seconds, let your iPhone turn on, and you'll be good to go. You'll be relieved from that guided access setting that we had turned on right now in a few seconds. So this is just a method of precaution in case something happens to you, in case you forget the password or anything like that, and you get accidentally locked within your phone, and now you can use your phone normally here with your finger, right? Now, one common issue that people usually face while turning this on, let me hop into settings real quick. We're gonna scroll down again all the way to accessibility. We're gonna scroll down and simply tap here on guided access. Oops, let me go back. Let's tap here on accessibility shortcut. So over here, you wanna make sure that you only have guided access turned on and nothing else. Why? Because here we're basically telling, hey, iPhone, I want you to do this whenever we triple tap the power button. So all we want here to be turned on is only the guided access. Otherwise, if you have multiple things here turned on, if you triple press the power button, it may accidentally turn on something else, okay? And it can be something that will compromise you whenever you want to actually deactivate that guided access, because two settings may get into a conflict. Your iPhone won't know exactly what to do. It's gonna perform two tasks, and a task can be actually interfering and canceling the guided access feature in here. So double check if you don't have anything else in here selected. So once you've double checked that, then you're good to go. You can simply go and use guided access to continue using it to lock your screen. Now, if you simply want to lock your phone normally, this tutorial is not about that, but it's simply pressing here the power button and you're good to go. You're already locked. That's how easy you can actually lock and unlock your phone. Now, there's a feature in here under settings. If you scroll down all the way to display here, we do have an option which says auto lock. If you tap in here, this is another extra feature that will allow you to lock your phone or to keep your screen on, but the screen will be functional, different from the guided access feature, right? So in here, we can tap on never, and your iPhone screen will never turn off until your battery dies, right? So you do have in here an option to select the duration of how long you want your iPhone to keep running on, okay? So that's it. Now let's go back to 30 seconds. This is ideal for your battery, good processing here with your iPhone. So this was it for today, guys. This is how you actually lock your screen and keep something playing on your screen without having access to your display touch. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.